Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating a Valentine set, and I'll be talking about my difficulty in doing acrylic application in a cold environment. So guys, let's get started. If you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail tuber currently studying and living in Canada. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what is on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. While you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So if you look well on my table, you will see an orange towel in a bowl, and inside that bowl or on top of that towel is my acrylic monomer. I started doing that because I started placing my acrylic monomer in a warm on a warm towel anytime I want to do acrylic application, because I discovered that my acrylic application in the cold weather now takes forever to dry. So it takes a lot of work to part it forward, because it doesn't even set on time like the way it used when I was in Nigeria. Now Nigeria is a very hot country. Most times you have very high temperature, like I think the least we go is about 16 degrees. So you can imagine what it feels like to work in that kind of environment with acrylic. I have to be very fast so that it doesn't kick, it doesn't solidify. And because of that, it takes me about I think 10-15 minutes to do all 10 fingers, because I've mastered the act of being fast with my acrylic application. And now I got to this environment, this cold environment in Canada, I've been having headaches doing acrylic application. In fact, sometimes I dread making acrylic sets just because of this issue. I don't know why it's like that. I know the temperature of environment matters a bit. So guys, if you have any suggestion for me to use so that my acrylic application can, be smooth, I'll appreciate it. Like any suggestion, any tips I can use. I'm coming from a warm environment into a cold environment. Guys, let me know what suggestion or tips you might give me to use so that I can have my flawless acrylic application. I made this video in real time. I didn't fast forward the application process. This is me trying to do my acrylic application very slow, and this is the slowest I've been since I became a professional. So you can imagine the kind of headaches or the kind of headache it gives or is giving me. The acrylic monomer I'm using right now is Mia Secret. Yeah, it's Mia Secret. I bought it not long ago after I got to Canada, and I bought 2 bottles. So I still have a long way to go. I think I bought the 200ml bottle or the 100ml bottle, so I still have a long way to go, guys. So just help me. So like I said, I'll be creating a Valentine set today. I'm creating this set on my model. She's a colleague, and I told her to come so I could use her hand to film a set for Valentine. I will be drawing little cute arts on this set. It came out very well, I thought I was going to use red, but she chose white on the pink. So we're going to go with white because I want to do what she loves. I actually thought I'll be doing a different thing for Valentine because I was expecting a PR package from Born Pretty, which did not come on time. As at the time I'm doing this voiceover, the package just got in and I don't have the time to start on unboxing, to record the unboxing video and to create a set. So this is going to pass as my Valentine nail set, guys. So if you like this set I have created, if you like my application method, my process, kindly let me know in the comment section. I might not be talking all through this video because I think it's a 17 minutes long video. I don't think I want to talk all through the video. So if you like this set I have created, kindly let me know in the comment section. I might be creating another Valentine set again because I received, or because I know I'm going to receive, or part of the package that just came from the PR package from Born Pretty contains I think this stamping plate for Valentine, and I'll try my best to create another set this week so I can upload it. It's still the week of Valentine and I'm sure it's still going to go through. So guys, I'm going to be leaving the links to the products that I used in the comment section. I used a Born Pretty white gel to create the art shape. I'm going to be leaving the links to that product in the comment section, and I'm going to be leaving the link to other products that you can use and get some discounts of the items. So guys, try to go through my description box to see those links, and you can click on those links to get any item you want from the Born Pretty website. You can use my discount code Glitters Polish to get 10% off any item. And it's a Valentine season, so because it's a Valentine season, you can use VD20 to get 20% off any item you purchase from their website. I'm going to be leaving the spelling on the screen so you can get it right. So I'll be talking to you again in my next video, which I hope comes up very soon. Don't forget to watch this video till the end. Let me know your thoughts about the set I created, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you again in my next video. Bye guys.
It's more sticks on the beat, yeah. On and say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah. I find you, I give you all you're needing. I know just what you like. I feel it's coming. Time is of the essence. Yeah. I try to teach you, but I'ma need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to leave, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other. Talk to me, and tell me all that you're thinking, 'cause I wanna be that somebody just for you. Say now me go day by your side, early morning through the day and the night, even through the darkest times. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body. Yeah. You don't need no other, baby. baby. Everybody used to say, no one loves you like this. No one wants you the same way. Love till the morning. My head wants to turn from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. So I gave you all you need. Gave you all you need. Gave you all and you give me all you need. Give you all you need. Gave you all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need. Baby, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my, only you feel my, only you feel my body, yeah. You don't need no other, baby boy. I want you there, but I want you there. Promise to treat your love fair. Whoa, 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 whoa. When we touch, how we connect, how we connect. Said this love have no regret. You don't need no other, you don't need no other. Only you feel my body, and you are that somebody, yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body, yeah. Only you feel my body. Only you feel my body, yeah. Wavy. Biggie ways, fine face, 10 days, I done the wait for you, my charge. For you, my charge. You want a form, no case, I no go talk, Scarface for you, my charge. For you, my charge. Said take me anywhere you want to go. Show me everything I wanna know, no lie. No, no lie. I said, oh, run 'em anyhow you want to run. Shake 'em, baby girl, you fire past the gun, no doubt. No, no doubt. But you say, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Yeah, all the quite risky. You know I go 50-50. Yes, your body risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Hey, kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Kilo call me, I'm getting money, biggie money. So what's funny? Who be this kid? Pour the whiskey, get tipsy, but all the quite risky. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. You know I'm go 50-50. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50. Risky, risky, yes, your body risky. Me know I go 50-50. Risky, yes, your body risky. baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. You be looku baby, looku baby. You be looku baby, looku baby. What have you done to